mainit po, tas sa hapon medyo maulan. Holy shit. Okay. So, yeah, I should bring one pants. The Alex, can you pass me that pants? Yung green. Yeah. But you know what? Actually, kanina naglabas na rin ako ng medyas. But honestly, or you're hungry? I'm hungry too. Alam mo yung nami-miss ko? We haven't eaten McDo in a very long time. Should we? If you're gonna be walking sa morning, baby, I don't wake up till the afternoon, baby. It's not how life works, baby. You sleep, I sleep sa gabi, baby. Ay, sa umaga, baby. Or like around 4 or 5 a.m., right? That's my body clock. Should we order? I just want double cheeseburger and chicken nuggets. You know what? I didn't fucking order McDo when I was in LA. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. Holy shit, that's stupid. Pero ang kinain ko Jollibee, ito yung difference ng Jollibee sa America tsaka dito. Ewan ko if you guys were here when Hannah and I did the food review nung nasa Times Square kami. But the chicken is bigger. It was so like big, fierce. The gravy is like kind of okay. It tastes almost the same. And then the what else? The whatchamacallit? The spaghetti, it's not as sweet as Filipino spaghetti here in the Philippines. No. Oo. I don't remember the taste. I feel like it doesn't taste the same. Parang everything there, the flavor is twisted into more like sa ating maumami tayo. Doon parang medyo mas ewan ko I don't know how to explain. Mag-garlic. Nangingibabaw yung flavor ng garlic. Yeah. Ayun nga, yeah. Hindi sila mag-isa. I mean, like what do you call this? Like American food in general, ang flavor nila ay nasa ibabaw lang, hindi nasa loob. So like, you need the sauce or something every time you eat. Does it make sense? Eh, yung naging Inglesero na lang ako bigla, carry niyo yun. Hello, ma! Moda, you are my favorite sa Dragons Philippines Season 2. Ang paborito nyo nga ako, chikasya nyo nga ako ngayon. Go! Sige, pirahan natin para may ako. 0961185350. Adele. Okay. Pang McDo. Hindi po ako nanghihingi ng pera dahil wala akong pera. It's just that. Hindi mo pala ako. Prove it. Kung paborito nyo ako, prove it. Give me the money. Give me the money. Come back mo ba sa stage this Saturday when medyo di kita nakita on stage in a while? When was my last performance? What did I perform? Oh yeah! Bitch, I just performed. Di ako share masyado ng stories ni. Yeah. Yeah, I'm here ako. Naka-red suit ako, yeah. Yeah, so I don't really share stories that much anymore. I wanna be that type of girl. Yung I'm the elusive, enigmatic, provocateur, OV kind. Pahaba na ng pahaba yung moniker ko. The elusive, enigmatic, OV kind. The best pa rin yung tantrum mo sa design siya. Baby, that was not a tantrum. That was a fucking mental breakdown, baby. Don't belittle my mental breakdown into like something na to that shit lang. That's not a tantrum, baby. That's a mental breakdown. Girl. Hindi yung tantrums, girl. a literal mental breakdown, girl. The fuck? And also for people who like, who's been like saying that I did that for camera time. Baby, I was running away from the cameras. And if I wanted airtime, girl, you'll know when I want airtime. Or if you don't know, baby. You'll never know, baby. Because the diva is what? Smarter than you, bitch. Yes. Smarter than fucking production. Hey, hey. Baby! Baby, baby! Dadalhin ko yung, ano ko, yung vape ko, just in any case that, you know, nasaan yung vape niya, na baka mapagalitan na lang talaga ako ni ate. Eto na pala sa loob. Ito na. Ingat sila sa'yo sa CDO. Correct. Ate, yung order yung sa akin, susunod mo ng kunin, tinatamad pa ako. Yung sa'yo na lang ata yung nandito. Tsaka yung isa pang order. Busy ako eh. Alam mo ba? Ba't ang haba naman ng ano? Kapit-bahay lang naman kita, dear. Si Sid. Binaldiano. Binaldiano. Correct. Correct. So like, yeah, that's it. That's it, baby girls. I don't think no one's gonna be Gcashing me for my chicken nuggets. Kahit sabi niya sa akin, favorite na ako during my season. Let me fix my hair. A new style. Boy next door look ako. OV for all stars. Yes, all stars ng ano, bet on your baby, ah. Archie. Also, like, can I just say this again? Like, oh my god, like, can I just, like, alam ko paulit-ulit ko siya sinasabi every time I go on fucking live. When I'm at the fucking club, I don't want to be reminded that I was called trash. I appreciate the intention though, and the point, but at this point, I don't even give a fuck about it anymore. Kasi it feels so weird when, like, kunyari example, like, I'm kinda tipsy na, I'm having fun with my friends, we're fucking dancing, I'm let loose, putting my hair down, and whatnot, and so bilang may lalapit sa'yo, gagatuhin pa talaga. OV, remember, you're not trash, ha? Tandaan mo yun, OV. Bitch, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Yung GB ko na ano na lang talaga, nalungkot na lang talaga. Nabasag na lang talaga yung amats. You know what I mean? Like, I appreciate it though. Like, I'm like, swear to God, like, I appreciate it. I get the sentiments, but baby, I'm here like trying to get lit. I'm trying to get you fun. So yung, like, lahat sila ganun magawin. Hawakan pa nila ako sa kamay. Tapos yung ano pa, yung ini-squeeze pa yung kamay. Sabi niya, OV, remember you're not trash. Don't believe anybody who's saying that, okay? I was like, okay, thank you. Baby, I've been over that since like, how many fucking years has it been? Like 2 years? Since I did that fucking show? Get over it, because I'm over it, baby. Move on. Ano? Maybe, but, you know, it's not time and place, baby. Okay na yan. Go, sabihan nyo na ako na I'm pretty, I smell fucking good. Like, I'm a cutie pie. I'm like, oh, mga baby. Kanin. But, Mother dears, we are waiting sa ulcers. Do I look like I'm fucking Drag Race? Tell me I'm cute. Tell me I'm hot. Tell me I'm sexy. Also, fucking people, I know I'm getting skinny. Tapos may gagawa sa inyo this Saturday. I'm fucking sure, baby. Ito na. That's since like we're on a fucking roll right now and whatnot. I know I'm getting skinny, but don't give me fucking backhanded compliments. Cause it doesn't feel good. And unfortunately, I can't hide it sa mukha ko when I'm reacting in a way. Kunyari, they would be like, hello, Ovi, ang payat ko para sa personal. Queen! Queen! The fuck? Ano ba yung mga backhanded compliment? Backhanded compliments that people give me since I got, I'm starting to get skinny and skinnier. Ano? Oh, yung parang, hello Ovi, ang laki mo sa camera pala, no? Ah! Ah! Nagkaroon na lang talaga ng body dysmorphia. Ano ba yung mga ganong Ayan, ang ganda nyo po pala sa personal. Oh my fucking god. Si Gabi, blocked. Miss ko niyang bebe ko na yan. Ano yan, ang moving places siya. Yes, love that for you. Yes. Congratulations. She's doing big girl moves. Street passing po kayo, no? Yes. Lalaki nakatapos sa computer shop. Innings. Akala ko ba order tayo ng McDonald's? Alam mo, kayang-kaya mo yan bukas. Mas importante yung food natin. Kaya, parang diretsyon tapon na. Yeah. Kakasabi lang pa ulit naman. Ano ka, fans? Sinabihan na ng isang beses. Mamaya pang alis ko, ate. Nagsisinungaling sana ako nasabihin ko na ngayong gabi yung flight ko para tahimik lang. Pero wala. Papansin kasi ako Isa akong red velvet na gown with bugle bidding. Ano lang ako, small na ako ngayon. And then headpiece with 3 pieces of pork and beans. Hello, ang sarap. Double cheeseburger. Meron ba? At yung order natin, SB19 meal with 2 photo cards. Sibenta natin yung photo cards. Beanie. Bakit sa pako pa? Ayun, dito. Anyway. Taga Quezon City kasi kami. Alam nyo na kung saan ako nakatira. Sa Quezon City. Ako ang reyna ng Quezon City. Ihagis mo ang confetti. Double cheeseburger with lettuce and tomatoes. Ang aking drink are large gownage. Hala, na-miss ko yung lasa ng nila iced tea. Ay, nakapag-McDo pala ako. Yun yung breakfast namin. Bago pumunta sa convention. Sa CDO nga, putang ina nyo naman, para hindi naman kayo. Hindi kayo nagtitigil ng stories ko, Tanga-tanga nyo naman. Yung ano nila, ang tawag nila sa iced tea, sweet tea. Ayoko ng fries. Huwag na kayo order ng fries. Gusto nyo bang bumili ng baso?
No.
Meron ditong Minion tsaka Shrek na baso. Gusto nyo? Tara, ayun yung kasi 79 pesos tam naman.
Patingin muna. Check ang pipiliin mo, no?
Tsaka Minion. Magaling ako sa live ni Precious. Sinabihan siya doon na weakest queen ever na ever. Ano masistay mo? Sa totoo lang naman, sa katotohanan ng buhay, ito yung na-realize ko after like 2 years of like being a raw girl, like after filming. Her actual standing on the fucking show, your actual standing on the show is something that you just carry as bragging rights. The crown and the money are, additional things lang. But baby, tangin na ate, wala nang pakialaman kung ikaw ang nauna at nahuling lumabas sa bahay ni kuya. Kasi it's really up to you where you're gonna take your career. Look at fucking Greens. Dude, it's my sister of flop. No. Minsan mas maganda pa nga career niya kaysa sa inyo eh. Kawawa na lang talaga kayo. Eme. Kumuha ng gulo. But yeah. So ayun lang naman. Tsaka parang baby, stop fucking spelling my fucking name wrong. Miss O.V. My name's O.V., not O.V.Y. It's been fucking how many years? And people are still spelling my name wrong. Maganda yung Shrek tsaka Minion.
Walang drawing.
Search mo sa website nila. Inaaway siya sa live niya, ganyan talaga. That's what you call, that's what you call, PR. Let them. Do you want me to fight them too? Go. Sabihin nyo doon, tell them that I'm gonna be going there to fight them for your Precious. Okay? Spread the word, babies. Spread the word, babies. Oo. Aawayin ko for your Precious. Tell them I'm gonna be going there and I'm gonna be fighting people there. Okay? Alright. The live will be ending. Also, the Mind of Gabrielle. Hello, baby. Sana makasalubong kita sa Primark. Yes. So, everybody, go spread the news. I'm gonna be going to Precious's live. I'm gonna be fighting people for her. Since she is the heart of the season, I will be the demon of the season. Hi, baby. Kaka-end lang ng live niya. Oh my God. Gusto ko pa naman maging Sprack tonight. Aww. Gusto niyo ba mag-live ako? Do you want me to hang out still here? Ha? Pangit? Patingin? Kahit yung Shrek? Kasi parang ang quirky ng Shrek. Dito yung Shrek.
Wala. Barbie nakita ko eh. Barbie Minion.
Ay, ano siya? Parang halo-halo siya. Wag mo na anuhin.
Sayang.
Yeah. Okay, do you guys want me to do live? Yes or no? Last 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Ay, ayaw nyo. Wag na. Bye-bye.